Hi everyone, my name is Justice Borden and this is my PE newsletter. So for my newsletter, I wanted to focus on healthy eating and how to get kids to have more resources and be able to know the five main food groups and like the pyramids and all that stuff. So then on here I included a picture of the healthy eating pyramid as well as a little description of what those may be, which is oils, grains, meats and beans, fruits, milk, and vegetables. And those are all an important part of a healthy diet for anybody, really, not only children. And then this food pyramid also relates to my plate because it shows the five main food groups and the portions of what should be on a child's plate. And then I also have a book that relates to the food pyramid, which is called the Edible Pyramid, where in the book there's like a cat waiter and he kind of teaches the group at his restaurant about the five main food groups and why they're important and what you can get out of them. And also, like, he says that they're good within a certain amount of intake, just like everything is bad if you eat too much of it. And then for Shape America, I found that the website has a lot of activities and resources that you can learn about physical education on that I think would be crucial to children in the classroom as well as like parents. If we send like a newsletter home with them, the parents might be able to click on it and they could learn how to get more physical activity in and incorporate it into their life and in their kids' lives. And then a children's website I chose was Nourish Interactive because it talks again about the five main food groups. It helps whoever visits it learn about it. And I really like this website because it had different tabs. So you could click on parents, teachers, and children, I believe. And they have this whole little village where you can learn and explore like different areas of it. And it teaches you about different aspects of food and like how to basically like feed yourself healthier. And then I looked at Livestrong as one of my articles because I found this article, Physical Education for Elementary Children by Michelle Zur, and it has a ton of exercises that you would think are like kids wouldn't find so much as exercise, they would see it as a game, which I really enjoyed because I like to make PE fun for the kids so they can get more involved and they're not thinking about the physical aspects of it really. And then I also like this website because when I clicked on it, um, a whole bunch of related articles came up as well. So if you click on one tab or on one article, you're more than likely to find a ton of more articles that have to do with physical education for kids, activities, healthy eating, healthy habits, and fitness. And they have a ton of tabs you can go on to for nutrition, health, weight management, fitness, whatever you're really looking for. And they have a ton of tabs that would be helpful, like in the classroom, outside of the classroom as well. And I just think that physical education as well as healthy eating is a very important part of a children's life and anybody's life. And yeah, that's my newsletter. Thank you.